In this video, I'll show you how to get proof of address on Capitec app. So basically, it's very easy. Once you're logged in into your accounts, all you need to do, just go and click on your saving accounts as an example. So once you click on your saving accounts, all you need to do, you'll find three dots at the top right corner. Go and click on that. Once you click on that, you'll find the second option, send account details. You can just go and click on that. Once you choose send account details, you'll find two options, whether to send this by SMS or mail. If you choose this in SMS, of course, you will have to enter your phone number. But if you choose an SMS or an email, you'll have to enter your email address. Then you can just go to your email address and they will send you a PDF. And if you download it, and of course, the PDF should contain any informations that you may need, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can always do it, and they will always send you your documents PDF. You can just download it and do whatever you want. And of course, the address must already be saved in your profile. So if it's wrong, make sure to update your details first, and the document, of course, is official and valid. So yeah, that's basically what you'll have to do. So thank you for watching this video and goodbye.